Hello everyone. Today we are going to set up a beautiful marquee on our WordPress website using a Divi Marquee WordPress plugin. As you can see, the plugin has been activated. Now we will go to the page where we want to set up the marquee. We'll click on Edit with Divi. Then we will click on Blurb Marquee. As you see, the Blurb Marquee was added. We are going to edit the items. First with the title, text. Then a body text. We are going to do the same with the other blurb item. We will add a title text. As well as a body text. We will also add an image icon. For each of the blurb items, we will add a background color also. We will do it for both the blurb items. Now we will align the title text as well as the body text. We align the body text. Now we are aligning the title text. We will also add some padding between the body text and the title text. So let us add some padding between the title text, 5 pixels on the top, 5 pixels on the bottom. And for the body text, we will add padding of 10 pixels on the top, 10 pixels on the bottom. Click on Save Changes and visit the website. As you can see, our blurb marquee was added. We can also add text marquee, testimonial marquee, video marquee as well as image marquee with this Divi Marquee plugin. Today we saw how we can add blurb marquee. Thank you. Have a nice day.